In this lesson, we're going to be building a writing desk. And if you look closely, we can see that it has four legs that are essentially identical, and it also is symmetrical, meaning that the left and the right are the same. So the first thing that we want to do is import the PDF file into our AutoCAD drawing. And we'll notice here that we have a scale. It says scale in inches. So we're going to use that as our template. So let's go ahead and open up AutoCAD, and let's make sure we're working in 3D modeling, and then in the settings make sure that our polar tracking and the object snap with a midpoint has been selected. Then let's go to the front view and let's get into the 2D wireframe. And then what I'll do is I'll drag my writing desk PDF and I'll just drop it right in, and the page number that I need is 2. Press enter, put it anywhere you want, scale factor of 1, rotation 0, and there it is. So in order to scale this drawing, what we'll do is we will go ahead and make a line that is 12 inches in length. So I will go ahead to the draw on the ribbon above, and I'll put it right at 0, and then I'll move it to the right, and I will type in 12 for 12 inches. Hit the escape key, zoom out here, and now what I'll do is I will type in scale. I will select the PDF file and press enter. And the base point, I will go ahead and select that base point of that line that I just made. But now what I'll do is I'll type in R for reference, or I can always just click onto the icon, and it wants to know the reference length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create that right here. So I'll stop at 12, and then now I'll go to points. So I can go ahead and type in P or click on points, and the first point will be the 0 here, or the 0, excuse me, or the 12 inch, and then I will go to the end point here. And you probably won't see anything, so the thing to do here is just get out of the view and come back to the front view. And what you'll notice is that the 12 inches, that line is there. So if you would go to annotate, you would see that is in fact, you can read it on the command line below, or just zoom in and see that it is now 12 inches. So now we have scaled the writing desk. So then let's go ahead and type in layer, and we will create a new layer which we'll put this PDF into. And so the way I'll do that here is I will just click on the icon for the new layer, and I will type in PDF. And what I can do is turn it off temporarily, and then we will simply select the PDF file, right click and go to Quick Properties, and we can just go ahead and put it in that PDF and it should disappear. And I turned it off just because it verifies that in fact it did disappear. And you can turn it back on if you need to, so you can continue working on the lesson.